Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to convert a Google Doc to PDF. So you have a few options here. So to start with, I'm going to name the document PDF. So what I can do is click on File, Download, and click on PDF. And you can see it'll be downloaded as a PDF document. So when I go to my downloads, I can see it's been saved as a PDF document. The other option, if you have a printer, is that you can print it as a PDF. So I'm going to go to File, Print, and then click on Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you can print it out as a PDF document. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.